Hello everyone. For class 10 this is electricity chapter and today's topic is charge. In this video we will learn about charge and its basic properties. What is charge? There is no clear-cut definition regarding charge, but we can define it based on their interaction or based on their some basic properties. Charge is the property by virtue of which an object produces or experiences electrical effect. It is a fundamental property of matter. There are two types of charge. One is called positive charge, another is called negative charge. The symbol of charge is Q or Q. It means you are free to choose capital Q or a small q. The smallest unit of charge is electrons. It should be noted that the smallest unit of charge is electrons, and these are negatively charged particle while protons are positively charged particle. Charge on one electron is equals to the minus 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and charge on proton is equal to the plus 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. यहाँ पे एक चीज़ नोट करने वाली है, वो ये है कि इलेक्ट्रॉन पे जो चार्ज है वो नेगेटिव साइन के साथ है, प्रोटॉन पे जो चार्ज है वो पॉजिटिव साइन के साथ है. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि ये डाटा, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि ये क्वांटिटी इस क्वांटिटी से कम है. बोथ आर द सेम क्वांटिटी. माइनस एंड प्लस आर यूज्ड just to distinguish it because electrons are negatively charged particle and protons are positively charged particle. So it doesn't mean that minus 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19 is less than plus 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19. In fact, both the quantity are same but opposite in nature. ये माइनस और प्लस नेचर को दिखलाता है, ना कि अलजेब्रिक साइन है. Now there is a next property of charge which is called like charges repel while unlike charges attracts each other. There are the illustration with the figure. You can see that these unlike charges are attracting each other. Here like charges repelling each other, and the same here like charges repelling each other. Now let us talk about the unit of charge. SI unit of charge is coulomb, while CGS unit of charge is called stat coulomb. Here is a most important property of charge, that is called charge is quantized. It means that charge carried by a body is always an integral multiple of the smallest unit of charge, that is the charge of an electron. Mathematically we can say that Q equals to N into E, where Q denotes for the charge, N stands for number of electrons, which will be integer not fraction, and E, as you know that the value of E is 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So here is a question now which is based on textbook. Calculate the number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge. So इस क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास क्या निकालना है? Number of electrons. We have to calculate number of electrons. It means we have to calculate n equals to what? दिया क्या है? Given 1 coulomb of charge. How many charge is given? Q equals to 1 and its unit, SI unit, coulomb, 1 coulomb charge. And we already know that what is the value of E? It is 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. We have dropped the negative sign for the calculation purpose, because we know that minus is not algebraic quantity, it's just for defining its nature. So from the quantization of charge we have a basic formula, Q equals to N multiplied by E. Now substituting all the values which is given in the question, Q equals to 1 coulomb, so stand Q equals to 1C, which is equals to N we have to find out, and what is the value of E? This is 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So what will be the N? N equals to 1C divided by 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19 C, which is equals to C and C cancel out, A, and this is 10 to the power minus 19. जब ये इसको ऊपर ले जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? रेडिकल्स चेंज करता है, तो ये हो जाएगा 10 to the power माइनस प्लस 19 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.6. नाउ we can write it 10 multiplied by 10 to the power 18 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.6. यहाँ से पॉइंट को आप ड्रॉप करेंगे तो ऊपर में एक जीरो जाएगा, और जब 100 को 16 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आएगा 6.25, एंड दिस इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 to the power 18, and this is your answer. So we can say that 1 coulomb charge consists of 6.25 multiplied by 10 to the power 18 electrons. हम इस डाटा को याद भी रख सकते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए. एंड हियर इज वन क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. Calculate the number of electrons in 10 coulomb of charge. So dear students, solve this question and post your answer. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.